Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be about some self-portrait creative ideas. वीडियो में यही होने वाला है कि मैं कौन सा फ़ोन यूज़ करती हूँ अपनी फ़ोटोज़ लेने के लिए. What apps do I use? I'm just gonna name the apps जो मैंने editing के लिए यूज़ किया है, because अगर editing करके सिखाना will be a separate video. तो I'm just gonna name the app कि मैंने ये पिक्चर कौन से ऐप पे edit किया है. ठीक है, ये होगा कैमरा. मैं बताऊंगी कौन सा मैं यूज़ करती हूँ, और I'll give you like 4 to 5 really amazing ways that you can take your pictures at home, and I'm definitely sure that you're gonna love this video. Also, I'm gonna insert the pictures after every way, तो आपको आइडिया लग जाए कि कैसा पिक्चर आने वाला है. एंड let's go to the video. So this is the setup I'm using right now. I am in my balcony, so I can use this glass also as a reflection, like और कई shots में I'm gonna use this plant as my prop, and I have this beautiful wall behind me that I can use to take some shots, like full outfit shots. And this is my phone. I'm using iPhone 11 Pro right now to take my pictures, and using this phone to film myself and the setup. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screen record myself in this and take some shots on self timer. Also for the props we have this kapda, ye net hai. You can use any dupatta that you want. For the first photo, I have decided to use some flowers. I'm crazy about flowers, but here I'm using some fake flowers. I have a lot of it. You'll see. So I usually like to take like happy pictures with some fake flowers. And here I'm just adjusting the frame. So iPhone में this 11 Pro में एक नया feature आया that you can use this arrow thingy to widen the angle so that you can fit more into the frame. And that's what I've done here. Now I'm just gonna scatter all the fake flowers that I have to cover the floor, because I'm not liking how the floor looks right now in the frame, and the picture turned out really beautiful because of this little detail. Okay, I think our frame is ready. Now I'm just adjusting a little more. 3 seconds का टाइमर सेट करती हूँ मैं यूजुअली, अगर मैं पास बैठ के फोटोज ले रही हूँ. बट इफ आई एम सिटिंग थोड़ा दूर कैमरा से, तो आई ट्राई टू सेट इट एट 10 second timer. And I'm just gonna try out some more poses, some more shots, and you'll see it at the end of this clip how the pictures turned out. मैंने एक stick लिया है flower का, and I'm just using the leaves to cover the camera a little so that जो leaves है वो थोड़ा zoomed in लग रहे हैं. And in the next shot, I'm trying to hide my face with these roses. This picture turned out so beautiful. This is one of my favorites from this video. You will see it just in a few seconds, and I love this picture. For the second setting of our picture, I'm using this net fabric. I had this lying around. So मैंने क्या किया ना, इसको ट्राइपॉड के ऊपर, अपने ट्राइपॉड के ऊपर डाल दिया, so that ये कैमरा के ऊपर से आ रहा है, and मैं भी उसके अंदर आ गई हूँ, so that it gives me like a net cage or something, and you can just try out different poses here. That's what I'm doing. That's what I do always. It gives you like a really nice frame if you want to show your jewelry and not show your face at the same time. Um, it looks, I think this looks really aesthetic and very moody kind of picture. You let me know in the comments, do you like it or not? For the third way, I am using a photo frame which has a really quirky quote written, "Exhale the bullshit." So मैंने अभी थोड़ा अपना frame सेटिंग चेंज किया है, मैं ऑपोजिट साइड पे आ गई हूँ अपने प्लांट के पास, सो दैट मेरे बैकग्राउंड में पाम के लीव्स आए. इट गिव्स लाइक मोर कलर टू द पिक्चर. For the second last way of our shoot, I've used a wall clock. I saw this on Pinterest and I really liked it. And मैंने थोड़ा बहुत अपने palm plant का भी यूज किया है, उसको फ्रेम में लेके आया है थोड़ा सा आगे से, so that वो हल्का सा पिक्चर डिटेल में आए. And I think it looks very cool. For the last way, and this is like super easy and one of my favorite ways to always click picture. So basically I have used my palm plant and मैंने काफी सारे leaves उसके अपने face के आगे, अपने outfit के आगे रखे हैं. And it looks beautiful, it looks so tropical and at the comfort of your home. Also I'm sitting, मेरा जो balcony का glass door है उसके आगे, so that जो पीछे से reflection आ रहा है थोड़ा बहुत sky का, that also looks very good with the shot which has a plant in it. When you look at this frame, it's so beautiful and aesthetically pleasing to your eyes. Check out the picture, I'll show you in a while. I am just trying different poses here, different ways that I can take some good pictures in. इसके बाद मैंने थोड़ा सा वाइड एंगल किया है फ्रेम को, because I wanted like a full shot, not exactly full, but something more of my body in the frame. And I really love this picture. I know I've said it for so many pictures, but this one is like has my heart. So yeah, that was it about the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. तो अगर आप इसमें से कुछ भी try करने वाले हो तो make sure that you tag me and maybe you can DM me on Instagram with your clicked pictures. Yeah, that was it. I really hope that you enjoyed. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you share this video with a friend if you think that this video may be helpful for them, and comment down below कि आपका favorite picture कौन सा था. Bye. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba